today I am going to do the flower bun by Elizabeth at Rapunzel's Resource. She has not been active in making new hairstyle tutorials, and her blog is now set to private. She has not been updating there for people to see for 10 years, but she has some amazing, thank goodness Daddy's down there, some really awesome hair tutorials and some really foundational styles of the long hair community. So it took me a while to track down the flower bun that was on my list, and I couldn't tell exactly what style it was, and then I finally stumbled on this one and I was like, yes, this is the one. So I'm going to start with a ponytail. I am using the Pro Hair Ties, which you can read more about in the link in the description box. Kind of mid-height. I'm going to take a section on the top. And then I'm going to start rolling it, and I'm going to roll under from the bottom. This is going to be a little bit tricky because my hair is different lengths. I'm going to try to get it as smooth as I can. And then we're going to use traditional bobby pins to secure that loop. A few more. Lots of pins. I do think traditional bobby pins are probably the best choice for this. Crisscrossing them on the sides is going to make them stronger. So I put one in on each side. Now I'm going to put a second one that crosses over that one. Okay, yeah, that feels much more solid. Alright, then the bottom section is divided into 4. And then each of those rolled in the same way, rolled under. First pin. Second pin. First pin. Second pin. It's up to you how wide you want to make these loops, how close together, how much you want to fluff them out, or whether you want to try to keep these quote-unquote petals to be distinctive. This is kind of like doing big pin curls, so you could turn them into waves this way too, if you did this damp and left them. So I'm starting out with more of like a little fold to try to catch my ends there. I'm just arranging them where they fit here. Try not to interfere with this other petal. Okay, one more to go. Here I thought I brought enough pins over. One short. There we go. Okay. So that was my first attempt, but yeah, there you have it, the flower bun. Oh, there's no space here. Add a flower to my flower bun.